Good morning and welcome back. Today I am back with a new video. Today my video topic is what is the difference between waterless car wash and rinseless car wash. There has been lot of confusion among my viewers when these products are to be used and what are the purpose of this particular car washes. Now let me tell you before I go for the project. I have chosen the waterless car wash of Turtle Wax since most of the people will be preferring a complete package that is in prepared form. So I have chosen the Turtle Wax waterless car wash, and for the rinseless car wash I have chosen the Mafra rinseless shampoo. To do a rinseless car wash you need a rinseless shampoo. Now let me tell you, when you are going to use this type of product, now this is a all-in-one product in a single bottle package. Advantage is that you need not carry any additional items to wash your car. You can simply just spray it on the car body and wipe it off. This is the major advantage of this type of product, so you need not require any other products at all. Only you need 2 to 3 or maybe more microfiber cloths to wash your car. Now in this type of product you will be requiring more number of microfiber cloths. Why? Because once one gets dirty, don't use that, it will lead to scratches. So you will be requiring more number of cloths to wash your car. And another advantage is that you can easily carry this product to anywhere. So just carry this bottle with you and you are ready to go. Now when you should use this type of products? This type of products is best when the car is having light dusts like this. I haven't washed the car for the last 5 to 6 days and you can see there is dust. So in this type of situation this products helps a lot. You just wipe the car and apply this product. Let me show you how to use this particular product and what is the advantage. I am carrying 3 to 4 microfiber cloths for this particular waterless car wash, and I will be using different cloths in different areas. These 2 will be for the lower portions and these 3 for the upper portion of the car. So make sure whenever you wash any car, make sure that the car is dust free. So for this I will use this particular panel for your waterless car wash and this particular panel for this rinseless car wash. Okay, so now it is free from dust. Now we will apply this particular product. Very easy. Simply just spray the product and wipe it dry. And all these products are fortified with waxes, so it will give a brilliant shine after you wipe off this product. And remember, when you are doing this type of job, always do it in a cool shade area or when there is no direct bright sunlight. Otherwise this type of products will stick to your car body, which I have often told in my all detailing videos, will stick to your car body and it will be very difficult for you to wipe and buff. And always do it in to and fro motions. Okay, so I have wiped up the entire product. Now I will just buff it off with another cloth. Remember, these type of products can be used in very light dirt and dusty conditions. You cannot use it in heavy soily or medium dirt conditions, and this will lead to severe scratches. On those situations, one thing you can do, you can simply use some water, wipe that area with the water, and then apply this particular product and wipe it off. That you can do. But in those type of conditions, you cannot use directly this type of products. तो ये प्रोडक्ट आप ज़्यादा मैल और डार्टी कंडीशन में आप यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. This is always suitable for light and very light dirt and dusty conditions, and it is very helpful in your regular car washes. In fact, I carried this product in my long trip, but there I found that it was so dirty, it was not possible to do with that particular waterless car wash. So you see, I have completed that particular area, that driver's side door and that particular area, and you can see the level of gloss it has produced and cleanliness. Now I will move to this particular area, which I will do with the help of Rinseless car wash. Now, Rinseless car wash is a hybrid type of car wash where you need some water. I have carried 5 liters of water in one bucket and another 5 liters of water in another bucket. Now, I will mix this particular shampoo. I will give very little since I will be using for demonstration purpose. 1 cap is enough for more than a car. Now what I will do, I will have 2 cloths. With 1 cloth, I will wipe this particular area. Now suppose your car is having little more dusty conditions, so what I will do, first we will lubricate this area. Why lubricate this area? So that it doesn't create any scratches in this particular, while you are scrubbing this particular area. Now I will dip it in the shampoo water. Advantage is that you can easily wipe up dirt and mud effectively until and unless it is very soily and muddy. And why I have kept another water? So that you can clean this particular cloth to remove the dirt that gets contaminated with this particular cloth. Now we will wipe off immediately. These products are also wax based, so this particular caution has to be taken while you are cleaning your car. Never do this type of work under direct sunlight or if your body is very warm. Now I will require another cloth to buff it off. Advantage of this type of product is it gives almost the wash equivalent to a regular water wash with minimum water. And nowadays you see most of the housing complexes, then your housing societies, they prohibit car wash in their area. So you always need to take your car somewhere where you can wash your car. But with this type of things, there will be no objection to wash your car. So you see, the car has been washed, this area. It has also produced a very good gloss, and very deep shine. तो ऐसे ही हम दोनों कार को दोनों प्रोडक्ट से आपको दिखाया कैसे इसको यूज़ करना है और कौन सी सिचुएशन में आप ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करेंगे. एंड दिस इज़ द बेस्ट प्रोसेस to do this car wash in a waterless way. So I have been able to show you the difference of both the products, and I am letting you to judge which product you should use. And I will give all the links of this particular products in my description box. Viewers, you are watching my video for quite a long time and the views are really very good, but your subscription is very less. And it is your subscription which shows that I am able to connect with you. So please do subscribe, and if you have any questions regarding using of this product, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Goodbye and namaste. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.